it does come, at least mine came 75% charged, and the earbuds were about 50% charged. So I could use this right away. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at Apple's AirPods Pro and MagSafe charging case. I've been using these for a while. I absolutely love them. They are a game changer, especially if you're a total Apple guy like myself. Having these is just really nice, especially with the watch, because you're able to make phone calls and no one can hear you because you've got these. Let's take a look at this. We've got the nice little box by Apple. Open this up, we've got the instructions. I've already taken the cord out. I'm going to tell you something about this cord in a second. Then we've got the charging case with the AirPods in them. Now when you get this, it does come, at least mine came 75% charged, and the earbuds were about 50% charged. So I could use this right away. Another thing that comes with the AirPods Pro, in the bottom here, you have the option of switching out to two other sizes of squidgy things. I like to call them squidgy things. So this is the large, this is the small, and the medium comes pre-installed. So these just pop off and you can put on a small or large if you want. There's also a function in your phone that will tell you if you've got a good fit. So once you attach these on, put them in your ears, run the program, it'll tell you if you've got a good fit. These are really small, so being in construction for me, I can just keep these in my pocket, and if I get a call on my watch, I can quickly just open this up, take this out, slip it in my ear, and I'm ready to talk. The AirPods are pretty sweet. They hold up to about 4.5 hours of charge, and the case itself holds about 24 hours of charge. So when you need to charge these up, you just slip them back in. Roughly about 20 minutes of charging gives you, I think, an hour roughly. Another thing is they are using the lightning cable to charge. A USB-C is what comes with it. So make sure you pick up a USB-C charger. Another great thing about this is if you don't want to use a cable, because this is the MagSafe, you can just place this down on a magnetic charger and it will charge the case itself. You don't need to physically plug it in. So if you've got a whole setup for your watch, your phone, your earpods, then you're good to go. You just place this down. It's just seamless. Now, another cool thing that's blowing my mind is the noise cancellation on these. When you put these in and you hold down the earpod, it'll noise cancel. It's like someone is turning the volume off in the room. They are just amazing. So have fun with them. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.